This is the sewing room. It's downstairs now. There's still some, I want to wallpaper the walls and stuff later, but it's just now getting fixed up. It's not done. It'll be a short period of time before it's finished. Still getting everything undone.
Can you take a picture? Take a picture. Whoa.
Don't pull that camera thing.
Bulingit ka. Picture pa. Dahil.
Take a picture.
Here.
Take a picture.
What do you think of that door needs opened?
Nope, there's nothing. There's nothing.
Take a picture like this.
I'll hold this down. Oh, wala na lang.
It's a little bit after leaving.
Oh, sige, video me. No, video me. Oh, there. Hello guys, I'm cleaning up my sewing room.
With the new glass.
Don't take it off. This is my sundress. Here are my sewing machine.
And Mommy's hiding her underwear.
This is the best sewing machine I ever have. This one and that one there. That one there. That's very good sewing machine. This one also is really good, but I got a hard time of adjusting these knobs here. Because that one does.
Because that one is a, I forgot what you call that one on the right. It's something other.
It's cover stitch.
Yeah, it's a cover stitch. That one on the left is a serger.
This one is good too. If I got this one 2 years already. I got this one for 2 years already. I think I used this one 1 time, 2 times, but it's hard to use that thing. I don't know if the one have problem or me, but this one's really good. I think I'm the one got problem because I don't really know how to sew. Just doing it, looking in YouTube how to use this machine. I'm not really professional sewer. I sew a lot of stuff. Bags, clothes, Ciara, shirt for my husband.
Yeah, made me 2 really good pairs of shorts.
Right.
Yeah.
I make me some pajamas. Okay. Turn it around now.